So as you can see here, I did a pretty good job fixing the crack, but not this side edge. I'm not just going to glue the clear plastic to the white. I'm going to try to use the UV glue to hone in on this location right here. Now, let's see what happens and see how this works. So this is what we're going to use. We're going to see what is inside the box. It's a bag. Don't know what I'll use that for. Those gloves. I have gloves. Instruction manual. I think that's the mat. Ah, the glue. The UV light. Oh, and a charging cable. Okay. So we're going to try this without using the instruction manual. And we're going to put glue into the crack. And then we're going to hit that with the UV light. I saw online it takes like 10 to 15 seconds. So we're going to do it for like, 15, 20 seconds and see what happens. All right. So our fridge shelf cracked. So I spot drilled a hole, glued this up, and I need to glue this joint apparently because what I didn't fix this part. So I'm going to try the UV glue and see what that does. The UV light's pretty cool. There's like no battery to install or no tab to pull. You just hit the light here with the light switch and it turns on. So you have to pull the little retainer, little seal off the top of the bottle. And then I guess you screw this on. And you pop off the top and we're ready to go. So we're going to put this in our joint. We're going to fill from here out and then up into that crack. All right, so I've got the glue in there. I separated the two pieces. We're going to let this back and then we're going to add the light. Let's see what happens here. 10 to 15 seconds, huh? Let's see. Oh, it's already holding. That's good. That's cured. That is super fast. I definitely like this already. So that definitely fixed the crack area, and it still moves, but this is because the plastic is flexing. So I'm going to add a dab of this to the top. All right, so this is definitely much better. I did have to go back in and fill this joint, but this stuff cures in like 20 seconds. So good product.